Hey friends, if you wish to turn Google Chrome Safe Search on or off, then please watch this video. Actually, in Chrome, it's called Safe Browsing. So, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and select Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then select Settings. Now, search for Safe Browsing. Okay, this option is under Security, so click on Security. So, we have standard protection. If you wish to turn it off, then simply change it to enhanced protection. Okay, now you will not be able to check for this, adult images or adult content even on regular search. But if you wish to disable it completely, then scroll down and select no protection at all. Okay, this is the best that you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.